In this video, I'm going to show you how to share TikTok videos on Facebook. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and enter your TikTok and you'll have to look for the video that you want to share on your Facebook. So let's just go and look for a video. Let's say example in this one, I can just go here and click on the share button. And here, as you can see, you'll have to look for the Facebook option. Here is it. I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see here, they'll take you to Facebook right away where you'll be able to post that or to share that TikTok video. You can add something to it. So, for example, I'm just going to add this in here, click on post. And now if I go to Facebook as example, and I'm just going to my account. So I need to go to my account. And if I scroll down, I'll find myself, I shared that video. If I go and click on it, I'll be taken to the video right away. Of course, instead, you can go and click on the share button. And if you didn't like it like that, you can, as example, go and click on more. And here you'll be able to share it to the newsfeed if you want to, or to your group. So you'll be able to the newsfeed here, or go Discord. As example, also there is this your groups. So here where you can share it to other groups if you want to. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.